Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to Pam and Rav Simple Cooking.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's such a gorgeous day today, mid-60s. Oh, just loving this sunshine today. And today's menu, the boys wanted some chops and ribs, and Rav said he wanted some baked potato. So I had gone ahead and seasoned the ribs like 2 days ago, and the chops with garlic, black pepper, adobo, some lemon pepper, and some green seasoning. And the potato, I just put some paprika, a pinch of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. So, and they want some fried rice to go with that for dinner, because they're not too fussy with curry. So this is what you guys always see me making all the time. So I have my baking pan ready. I'm just gonna, don't worry, the fingers is clean. So I'm not making a lot today because they have leftover spaghetti meatballs. And then I am going to make some pepper sauce as well, because I'm running out. So I'm just gonna put my seasoned potatoes in here. Rav, this is enough, or?
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay.
You get the corn muffin as well.
Oh yeah, Rav said we're gonna do some corn muffin as well. But I'll bake it not in a muffin tin. So you don't want to let those seasonings go to waste. Cover this up.
Check out.
Okay. All right, so we will let that bake for about an hour, and then I'll check back on it, and then we'll make the pepper sauce next. Okay, I am going to make my pepper sauce. I switch things up. I like the colorful peppers. It gives it a nice color. And today's pepper sauce, I'm gonna add like a little less than a half of a lime. I halfway peeled it, half of an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. And these are hot peppers. And I added some big wiruri peppers as well. I don't want to overpower it with the onions and the garlic and the lime. And then I'm going to add a bit of salt. Like a spoon and a half. And some vinegar. And don't ever throw away your sauce bottle. They come in excellent juice. For green seasoning, pepper sauce, and stuff like that is fabulous. Okay, so we will go and blend this up, and I'll show you what the color looks like. Okay, Rav pureed this for me.
Turn inside.
Oh my God, look.
It smells good, man.
This will go good. Oh my God, the fumes. I don't like a thick pepper sauce.
And go with some nice fried fish.
Excuse me. Fried fish with bread with this.
Yeah.
Excellent. I usually don't make a lot, because like this will last them a couple of months. And you can't let all those goodies go to waste. I'm just gonna a little bit more of vinegar. And again, everyone, as I always say, cook differently. And sometimes, I just make just the pepper with vinegar and salt.
So next thing you can add in more
Right.
if you want.
Yes.
Fresh.
I usually put green mango sometimes.
So you can put this wrong pepper inside it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So you can cure like.
Mm-hmm. Smell that.
Wow.
Ooh, it smells really good. It's not too lime. It doesn't smell too much of the lime or the garlic. And so we will let this sit out for a few hours and then I'll stick it in the fridge. Okay, we're gonna make our cornbread. I'm adding you guys saw how I did this before, but the recipe asks for 2 eggs if you're making 2 boxes. So we're gonna make it a bit sweet today. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar. Not much. Some vanilla essence. Okay. Some milk.
Look how milk like.
About a cup. Because it's 2 packages. And you know, you eyeball it. If it needs more, you add more. Just gonna add it a bit more. Well, hello there. Where did you go? Oh, you're tired.
Oh.
Hi. You went out for a walk? Very good. Okay, go drink some water. Go drink some water and come back. He went for a walk. Okay, so we will mix this a little bit more and then I will butter a pan and stick this in the oven. Okay, our cornbread is all ready for the oven. Okay, and we'll check back on that in about half hour. Okay, we're getting started with the fried rice. I'm just gonna put some chicken to fry, not much. It's just a few pieces to flavor the fried rice. The boys don't really eat too much of the chicken in the rice. Not much. So I decided to put 2 eggs in the rice as well. So I have my frying pan heating up. I'm just gonna scramble that up. When you put too much chicken in fried rice and chow mein, everything is at the side of the plate with the vegetable.
Turn on the stove on this.
Uh-oh.
Turn on it.
Okay. It's just a few pieces of chicken tenders.
There's a piazza fried.
Yes, we're gonna do fancy fried rice.
Fancy thing.
More fancy, they won't eat it. Okay, the egg is ready. I had gone ahead and chopped up some vegetable. I had bora, onion, celery, carrots. I'm just gonna add this in. So it's a fry up. Okay, so we will let that fry for a few minutes. And I have garlic and green pepper chopped up. So to my rice, I'm gonna put half a pack of sazon and put the other half into it. And some powder chicken bouillon, my favorite stuff here. I'm gonna add that to the rice as well. And some to the vegetable. This is some garlic salt. Not too much. Okay, and some fried rice seasoning. This is a new brand. It's called. So we're trying this.
Smells good.
And then we'll add our ketchup to the rice as well. And again, you can make it how light or how dark you prefer. Okay. Okay, so we'll let this cook for a few minutes and then we'll add the rice. Adding in the garlic and the pepper. It smells good. Okay, so we'll let the garlic and the pepper get happy about 2 minutes. The thing is, I didn't want to put the garlic at the beginning. I didn't want it to burn.
So how many minutes of fry there?
About 5 to 6 minutes altogether. You just need the onion to cook a little, the carrots. That's still frying. Get my frying pan out of the way and checking back on the cornbread. Perfect.
Very good.
And then middle is cooked. So that's perfectly done. Okay, I'm gonna add the rice. This is brown rice I'm cooking today. I'm going to lower back my stove. Okay, I think the color is fine. I didn't add salt because, you know, the seasoning they're already salted, but
That's good.
okay. Gonna add in my chopped up eggs. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please, we greatly appreciate it. You know, the little support is great, and we truly appreciate all of that. Okay, I still have the stove on, so I'm gonna taste this. Give Brad to taste this. Salt, pepper.
Perfect, nothing.
More pepper?
No, no, good.
Okay, so I'm not gonna add black pepper. Because I have some wiri peppers. Oh God, you can't even. The other day I made bora and it was extremely spicy. I put only 2. Then the other day I cooked with it. It wasn't spicy, so it's a mix. Okay, so our quick fried rice is done. Checking back on the ribs and the chops and the potato. It needs about another 10 minutes and we good to go.
You put sauce on this or?
No, we're gonna do it
Okay,
without sauce
yeah.
this time. The potatoes are boiled. Alright, about 5 to 10 minutes more and we're good. Okay everyone, our Sunday's meal is done. Baked potato, chops, cornbread, fried rice, and some crunchy tomato with a nice coffee to go with this. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it. And Rav and I will see you in the next video. Thank you again and have a blessed week ahead.
Thank you, everyone.